Hello, in lecture number 3rd of logic gate and logic families, these are some outlines of lecture number 3rd. First one is the Boolean law and second one is the duality theorem. Now we will study what is the meaning of Boolean laws. Boolean laws are basically used to solve the equations. Boolean algebra is a mathematics of logic. It is one of the most basic tool for simplifying Boolean laws. Logic variables are denoted by capital letters. In digital technique, logic variables such as A, B, C, etc. These variables denoted as the capital letters. See here, this is the Boolean laws. Here A, these are the Boolean variables. Here B is also the Boolean variable, C is also the Boolean variables. In Boolean laws, there are only two values are present, either 0 or 1. If value of A is equal to 0, then what is the value of A bar? A bar is equal to 1. Why A bar is equal to 1? Because A and A bar, these are both complementing term. Complementing term is nothing but 0 is converted into 1 and 1 is converted into 0. This is called as the complementing term, either true or false or high or low. Because in digital technique there are two values, or binary values are used, either 0 or 1. If value of A is equal to 1, then A bar is equal to 0. Two Boolean expressions are said to be equal if and only if the two tables of them are identical. When LHS size is same as the RHS side. This one is the LHS side and this one is your RHS side. So here these are some fundamentals of Boolean laws. These laws are related to the ANDing laws and these laws are called as the OR law. This is the ANDing law. ANDing law is this is the ORing law and this one is the ANDing law. ANDing law is nothing but there is a multiplication process here present, and ORing law is nothing but there is a addition process is present. First law is the A plus 0 is equal to A. First law is the A plus 0 is equal to A. Second law is the A plus 1 is equal to 1. Third one is the A plus A is equal to A. Fourth one, A plus A bar is equal to 1 and A double bar is equal to A. These are the some ORing law. Then similarly these are some ANDing laws. First one is the A dot 0 is equal to 0. A dot 1 is equal to A. A dot A is equal to A and A into A bar is equal to 0. Now look here, this is the ORing law and this one is the ANDing law. Here I am taken some cases. First we put A is equal to 0 or A is equal to 1, or we can, there are two cases. In first case we put A is equal to 0, or if you want to put A is equal to 1, it is depends on your. Now the first and ORing law is the A plus 0 is equal to A. This one is the your LHS side. This one is the LHS side. This one is the LHS side. LHS side is left hand side and this one is the RHS side. RHS side is nothing but right hand side. This one is the LHS side and this one is the RHS side. In LHS side and RHS side both are same. We will see these two cases. In first case put A is equal to 0. So if we want to take put A is equal to 0, then here I am taking 0. 0 plus 0. This one is the 0. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. See here, this is A and in LHS this one is the A and RHS there is a A. Both the terms are same here. 0. 0 plus 0 answer is 0. So here is also A and here is also A. So if we put on LHS side 0, then similarly we get RHS side. Similarly in second case if we want to put 1, then here I am putting 1. 1 plus 0 is answer is 1. This is your A, this is your A plus 0 is equal to A. So here the LHS side put here 1. Similarly answer is in RHS side is also a 1. Now, similarly, we prove second law. Here the second law. Second law is the a plus 1 is equal to 1. A plus 1 is equal to 1. If we want to put 0, then 0 plus 1 answer is 1. And if we want to put 1, then 1 plus 1 having a answer is also 1. Now third law is the a plus a is equal to a. If put a is equal to 0, then 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. So a plus a is the a. Now put a is equal to 1, then 1 plus 1 is equal to 1. So we will take which value? Either we take 0 value or we take 1 value, then answer is similar to the a. Now a plus a bar is equal to 1. A is equal to 0. Put here a is equal to 0. Then what is the a bar is nothing but your 1. A bar is nothing but 1. Then 1 plus 0 is equal to 1, or 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Now we will put a double bar is equal to a. If we take a is equal to 1, then what is the value of a bar? A bar is nothing but your 0. And again taking double bar, so a double bar is 1. So a double bar is equal to a. Similarly, these are some ANDing laws. In ANDing laws, a either we take a is equal to 0 or a dot is equal to 1. In first ANDing law is a dot 0 is equal to 0. If we put 0 dot 0 is equal to 0, 0 multiply with 0, answer is 0, or 1 multiply with 0, again answer is also 0. If we want to put a dot 1 is equal to a, if we put a is equal to 1, then 1 dot 1 is equal to 1, or we put 0, then 0 dot 1 is equal to 0. If we which value is taking here a, answer is similar to this a. Now a dot a is equal to a. If we take 1 dot 1, answer is 1. 0 dot 0, answer is again 0. And last one is the a dot a bar is equal to 0. If we take a is equal to 1, then what is the value of a bar? A bar is nothing but 0, and 0 multiplied by any term, answer is again 0. This is called as the ANDing law and ORing law. Now second law is the commutative law. Commutative law is related to the sequence. Commutative law is related to the sequence. If we change the sequence, then answer is same. Here taken as the first law is the ANDing law. A plus b is equal to b plus a. Here the sequence of variables, logic variables will be changing, but the right hand side and left hand side is same. Now a dot b is equal to b dot a. Here also changing sequence of the logic variables. Now this third law is the associative law. Associative law is the a plus b plus c. Here they change the sequence, but the answer is same as the LHS and RHS. Now at the RHS side, a plus bc. And second associative law is the a dot bc dot c is equal to a dot b dot c. Now the next law is the distributive law. This is the distributive law. First law is the a dot b plus c is nothing but a multiply with in bracket b plus c. So a multiply with b and plus a multiply with c. And now a plus bc is equal to in first bracket a plus b and in second bracket a plus c. These are some distributive laws, and this is the some important laws. This law is asked for prove the LHS and RHS side. First law is the a dot b plus a dot b bar. First law is the a dot b plus a dot b bar. Now how to prove? This one is the your LHS side. This is the LHS side is equal to RHS side. LHS side is similar to the RHS side. How it is proved LHS side and RHS side? In first, here which term is common in LHS? Here a term is common. A term is common. So in bracket which term is remaining? Remaining term is b plus b bar term is remaining. B plus B bar term is remaining. But what is the meaning of B plus B bar? Logic variables, we can put any logic variables. Here the A plus A bar is equal to 1. Here the A plus A bar is equal to 1. Similarly, B plus B bar is also a 1. So here instead of taking B plus B bar, here I am putting only A dot 1. But what is the value of A dot 1 is nothing but A dot 1 is nothing but A. So here I am taking A. So LHS side is here A dot B plus A dot B bar is equal to A, and this A and this is the similar A. So LHS here prove the LHS is equal to RHS. Now in second, this one is your second example. In second example, which term is common here? A term is common here. Remaining plus, and in bracket which term is here common? A is common. I am taking A is common. Remaining in bracket which term is remaining here? Which term is remaining here? B into B bar term is remaining here. B into B bar term is remaining here. Put here, I am taking A is common plus B into B bar. But what is the meaning of B into B bar? Put here, this is the ANDing logic. B into B bar is equal to 0. A into A bar is equal to 0. Similarly, logic variables here put B into B bar is 0. So, B into B bar is equal to 0. So, A plus 0. Here I am putting A plus 0, and A plus 0 having answer, A plus 0 having answer A. A plus 0 having answer A. So this is second term is similar. LHS is equal to RHS. Now I am taking third term. I am taking the third example. In third example, what is the LHS side? A plus B bar in bracket, A plus B bar after bracket dot B. So this B multiply with this term. In third term, here I am taking this B multiply with A. So AB plus this B multiply with B bar. 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 But B into B bar is equal to 2. See here, B into B bar is equal to 0. B into B bar is equal to 0. So answer is this term is the 0 term. So remaining answer is the A into B. This is the remaining answer. Now in fourth term, this one is the fourth term. The fourth term is the A dot B bar plus B is similar to the A plus B. Now in fifth term, on the LHS side, which term is common? A term is common, and remaining term is the 1 plus B is the remaining term. But what is the meaning of 1 plus B is nothing but 1. So this one is the answer is A. This term having answer 1. How it is? Look here. 1 plus B is equal to 1. So here put 1 plus B is equal to A in bracket 1 plus B is equal to A. Now this one is the last term. Here A multiply with A. So answer is the A into A plus A into B. A into B. Now A into A is nothing but A plus A into B. Now here I am taking which term is common? Here I am taking A term is common, and remaining term is 1 plus B. 1 plus B. 1 plus B is nothing but 1. So final answer is the A. This is the equations to solve in this fashion. LHS side is equal to the RHS side. So Boolean expressions are said to be equal if and only if LHS side is similar to its RHS side. Now the second theorem is the duality theorem. What is the meaning of duality theorem? Duality property states that all Boolean expressions remain valid when following steps are to be performed. In step first, interchange or operator plus and operator and replace all ones by zeros and all zeros by 1. Duality theorem. In duality theorem there are two steps are present. In first step, interchange or with and with or. Interchange or with and with or and replace 1 by 0 or 0 by 1. Put here the first equation is the first example is the a plus 0. Here I am taking example a plus 0 is equal to a. In first step, apply ANDing operation with ORing operation or replace ORing operation with ANDing operation. Here which operation is present? Here ORing operation is present. Variables as it is. This is a variables as it is. Here this one is the ORing operation. ORing operation is interchange with the ANDing operation. So instead of plus, here I am taking here dot. Now 0 is replaced by 1. So answer is the a dot 1 is equal to a. A dot 1 is equal to a. This is the duality theorem. In second example, this one is the second example. In second example, in bracket a plus b bar after bracket b is equal to ab. Here apply duality theorem. How to apply duality theorem? Here I am taking duality theorem. This is the equation. Here I am applied duality theorem. Logic variable as it is. Logic variable as it is. Here which operation is present? ANDing operation is here. ORing operation is present. This ORing operations is interchanged with the ANDing operation. So instead of taking addition, I am taking here multiplication. So a dot, here the logic variable at is here the logic variable a dot b instead of here a dot b. But here which operation is present? Here the ANDing operation is present. Instead of ANDing, here I am taking as the ORing operations and b take as it is. B take as it is equal to here in between a and b variables which operation is present here? Here the ANDing operation is present. So instead of ANDing, here I am writing as a plus b. This is the duality theorem. Duality theorem states that Boolean expressions remain valid when perform the following steps. In duality theorem, there are two steps are performed: interchange or operation with AND operations, and in second step replace all operations, that is 1 is replaced by 0 and 0 is replaced by 1.